Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I am Vrinda and the subject for this video is zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting meaning and definition. Zero-based budgeting in management accounting involves preparing the budget from the scratch with a zero base. It involves re-evaluating every line item of cash flow statement and justifying all the expenditure that is to be incurred by the department. Thus, zero-based budgeting definition goes as a method of budgeting whereby all the expenses for the new period are calculated on the basis of actual expenses that are to be incurred and not on differential basis, which involves just changing the expenses incurred, taking into account change in operational activity. Under this method, every activity needs to be justified, explaining the revenue that every cost will generate for the company. Zero-based budgeting, also known as ZBB, is the process of creating a budget from nothing without using the prior year's budget or spending numbers. No activities are assumed to be untouchable. All expenses are judged and must be justified in order to remain in the budget. Characteristics of zero-based budgeting. Focus of efforts is on both how much a unit will incur and why it has incurred. Decisions are based on what each unit can offer at the given cost. Individual units' objectives are aligned with corporate objectives. Instant adjustments in the budget are possible if required. All the levels of the organization participate in the process of decision making. It must be noted that zero-based budgeting technique is purely based on activities wherein the budget is prepared for every activity instead of a functional department. Stages of zero-based budgeting: identification and description of decision packages. Decision package ascertains a particular activity so as to analyze and rank the activities against other activities with respect to the use of scarce resources and make decisions thereon. Evaluation of decision packages. After identification and description, decision packages are evaluated considering the factors like alignment with the organizational objectives, regulatory requirement, and availability of money. Prioritization of the decision packages. Decision packages are ranked on the basis of activities. Allocation of resources. Once the ranking is done, resources are allotted to the packages, which facilitates in the process of preparation of the budget as it is done for the first time without any consideration. The 5 steps of zero-based budgeting. Businesses can develop or modify their own unique approach to ZBB, and the following 5 steps can provide a baseline for its implementation. Start. Begin at ground zero. Create a new annual budget from scratch without using last year's actuals as a baseline. Evaluate. Evaluate every cost area. Eliminate or reduce unnecessary activities or services. Justify. Account for all components of the budget. Identify areas that are cost effective, cost relevant, and that drive cost savings. Streamline. Determine what activities should be performed and how. Automate and standardize processes where possible. Execute. Roll out comprehensive planning and execution process. Communicate clear plans, roles, and responsibilities. Features of zero-based budgeting or ZBB. The budget allotment to any decision unit should be first justified by the manager of the decision unit. He should justify his request without making any reference to the previous level of spending in his decision unit. Activities are identified as decision packages and then later are ranked in order of priority. Decision packages are evaluated by a systematic analysis linking them with clearly laid down corporate objectives. A frank relationship exists between the superiors and subordinates. Available resources are directed towards alternatives in order of priority to ensure optimum results. Budgeting process involves establishment of budget objectives as the first step, establishment of the budget premises, requiring some assumptions to achieve those objectives, sales forecast and key budget factor. A forecast regarding the sales is required and deciding what our key budget factor would be. A combination of top down or bottom up approach, master budget, preparation of subsidiary. Zero-based budgeting advantages, accuracy. Against the regular methods of budgeting that involve just making some arbitrary changes to the previous year's budget, zero-based budgeting makes every department relook each and every item of the cash flow and compute their operation cost. This is to some extent helps in cost reduction as it clearly gives a picture of cost against the desired performance. Efficiency. This helps in efficient allocation of resources department wise as it does not look at historical numbers but looks at the actual numbers. Reduction in redundant activity. It leads to the identification of opportunities and more cost effective ways of doing things by removing all the unproductive and redundant activities. Budget inflation. Since every line item is to be justified, zero-based budgeting overcomes the weakness of incremental budgeting of budget inflation. Coordination and communication. It also improves coordination and communication within the department and motivates employees by involving them in the decision-making process. Although zero-based budgeting merits may make it look a very lucrative method, but it is important to know the disadvantages of zero-based budgeting. Time consuming. Zero-based budgeting is very time consuming. Intensive exercise for a company or government funded entity to do every year as against incremental budgeting, which is far easier method. High manpower requirement. Making an entire budget from the scratch may require involvement of a large number of employees. Many departments may not have an adequate time and human resource for the same. Lack of expertise. Explaining every line item and every cost is a difficult task and requires training to the managers. Zero-based budgeting aims at reflecting true expenses to be incurred by a department or a state in case of budget making by the government. Although time consuming, this is more appropriate way of budgeting. At the end of the day, it is a company's call whether it wants to invest time and manpower in the budgeting exercise to provide more accurate numbers or go with the easier method of incremental budgeting. Thank you.